immediate sack of NAFDAC Director General Prof.Mgbeke for gross incompetence and abuse of public office on this day, February 18, 2026. Good morning, my fellow members. Good morning, my press conference. We are greatly dismayed by the unwholesome activities and high handles of the Director General National Agency for Food and Drug Administration Control NAFDAC, Professor Mgbeke, regarding the agency's legal enforcement of arbitrary ban on sachet alcohol and 20 ml belt bottle alcoholic products. This arbitrary enforcement is in contradiction with the national alcoholic policy that since been signed into law by the Federal Ministry of Health and is currently in force. It is affront on the presidential directive restraining NAFDAC from further disrupting business premises of affected companies pending the outcome of a joint committee. The action is not only counterproductive to the economic policy of the renewed home agenda, it is also capable of stirring up civil unrest confusion of society. The profitable operation of this company will be hampered, thereby casting government on bad lights. These decisions hastily enforce the ban of production and sale of alcoholic beverages packed in sachets and small PET bottles in his flagrant disobedience to the resolution of the House of Representatives on the matter vid/10/HR/CT.33/7C on 14th March 2024, where in the House, after extensive consultation meeting with key stakeholders through public hearing law 2, for reaching decision including restraining NAFDAC further embarking on such ban and describe it as anti-people. We have therefore approached the Senate and we trust that the senators would reconsider the matter after wider consultation with the key stakeholders. The Director General must be fired. She must go. She must be fired by Mr. President without delay. As her gross incompetence is gradually throwing the entire country into needless confusion in the wake of conflict, directives from different authorities of government, no thanks to our desperation. It is important to note also that the sale of alcohol sachets and PET bottles was not intended to have a negative impact on Nigerians. Rather, it was an innovation to serve the low-income adult population who also desire the product and should be allowed the right of choice. If allowed to stand, the ban will deny them the opportunity to exercise their fundamental right of choice. However, contrary to claims by NAFDAC that sachet alcohol beverages encourage abuses, availability in small portions rather discourage abuses that are usually associated with bigger containers. Equally important to note in the fact that alcohol served in sachets by local producers is produced under truly hygienic conditions and certified regularity agencies, including NAFDAC. We would like to further place on record that the untested and unverified association of abuse by minors as the basis for the ban has been controverted by credible and empirical research that was independently conducted. Industry operators have gone further, notwithstanding the report of the survey, to initiate series of campaigns in respect of responsible alcohol consumption to discourage underage use, and other abuses. This has resulted to substantial amount of money running into over ₦1 billion being expended on advert placements in major news outlets across the Federation. The impact so far has been very, very massive, discouraging abuse by underage persons and also the pen access restriction landscape. Coalition for unemployed people in Nigeria. Coalition for unemployed people in Nigeria. Therefore, supports pragmatic measures to remove unsafe products from the market. We only maintain that such decision should be supported by empirical facts and not emotional persuasion or appeals to the public sentiment currently being done by Professor Mgbeke. Stumbling to these scenarios can only lead to catastrophe of compromise in jobs and livelihoods and activities grave unintended consequences. These unpopular actions is detrimental to the survival of the concerned industrial operators of Nigeria origin. More so that it comes at the expense of the job and livelihood of workers and all those involved in the value chain. This decision is ineffective because it will open up markets for elite, substandard, and unregulated products. It will further lead to an influx of imported alternatives, mostly smuggled, thereby denying government substantial revenues collectible from the companies and also restrict low-income consumers' access to the products. Finally, we hereby call to the President, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that we are assured of his integrity in our Nigeria country, national country Nigeria, and Commander-in-Chief General Musa of the Armed Forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Excellency of Nigeria, to act without hesitation to fire NAFDAC Director General Professor Mojisola Christina Ade.
All we are saying,
you should go. Go. You should go.